The problem is turn on and off. The reason I have to check filters first to see if the filter was dirty, but I'm checking the filter. It was okay. But it's a good thing. I'll change it. I'll put new one. So I have to get new one over here. It's size 1425 by 1. And always airflow should be up. This signs airflow should be up like this. And then I have to put this one. I have to put it like this to make it right. Like this. And then I have to open this to see why it keeps on and off a few seconds. It could be air unit was good, so I have to use, sorry guys, I'm just making this. Okay, and I have to take these covers. And I have to use this one to do like a bypass. But first of all, I have to clean flame sensor. Was the one has an issue. Flame sensor. That's what keeps system on off, because what doing. You can use, to clean for plates or whatever it is cheap than to buy so many products. And then I have to open over here. I have to turn the light off, not to get any powers or anything. So I have to move this one. Look, that's why the reason. Look, it's dirty. That's why it keeps system off and on. So I have to take it out like this, and then I have to clean it like this, as gentle. Because the circle keeps doing it on, and then a few seconds it turns off, and then it turns again on, and a few seconds it turns off. The reason why, because I have to use this one as much more to clean it very well over here, to use this one. Like this, because it was dirty, it's hard to clean it, so I have to use this one first, and then I'll use others. Look, it's not like before. And then I have to clean it again. Looks nice. I have to put it back. Always you have to make it with screws at all, to have it not to go up or down, depending on the screws, like this. And I have to put plug on it. And then I have to use, not to wait for the thermostat guys, and they will like R and W to make it easy. Let's wait for turn R and W, and then I have to turn the switch like this to see if it kicks. Because already was like on off until it works few, and then it will turn. It's way to circle lower because it kicks on off on off on off. I just erase it now, it will work few seconds. Already check this, I check here, I check the gas valve, everything is good except flame sensor has the one that has issue. Heat exchanger is good. Humidifier is good, it's on. Off again, and then I have to turn it on.